Do you want to get healthy weight and still stay strong and active all day? Then you need to try this creamy and delicious wheat drink at home. It's so easy. Let's get started. Today I'll be using about 2 cups of wheat. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is to soak your wheat overnight or at least 6 hours to soften it. Soaking helps it blend smoothly and makes the drink easier to digest. After soaking, the next thing to do is to wash your wheat thoroughly. You can wash about 3 to 4 times. This will help to remove any dirt or stones and even fermentation smell. After washing, drain the water and then pour into a blender. But if your blender isn't that strong, it is advisable you make use of a commercial blending machine. So after blending, the next thing to do is to strain the mixture. You can achieve this using a fine sieve or cheesecloth. Next, transfer the wheat extract into a pot and place it on medium heat. Once it's on fire, start stirring right away because it thickens quickly and can form lumps if you wait. While it's still on fire, add your sugar, okay? So today I'm going with about 2 spoons of sugar. And also I added about 2 spoons of cinnamon powder while it is still on the same fire. This step releases a rich sweet aroma into the wheat drink. I added a little butter because I feel it's becoming too thick. Once you have added your sugar and your cinnamon powder, stir everything together and let it cook for another 5 minutes. As soon as it's done, take it off the fire and strain it to get rid of any lumps. That's how you get a smooth, creamy drink, okay? And then the next thing to go in with now is vanilla extract. So I added about 2 spoons of vanilla extract for that lovely scent. And pour in your milk to make it creamy and smooth, okay? So give it a good stir until everything combines perfectly. You can enjoy it warm or chilled. Both taste amazingly beautiful. This sweet drink is full of natural carbohydrates, fiber and healthy fats that help with weight gain, energy and strength. It's perfect for both adults and children and it keeps you full for longer hours. If you enjoyed watching, please like, subscribe and share this video to support Ese Can Cook. And tell me in the comments, how do you like your wheat drink, warm or chilled? See you in my next video. God bless you and bye.